What's up, guys? I'm Sean, and you guys know me, and I'm with my latest customer, Juan. Juan, how you doing?
Good, man, good.
And you brought your whole family out.
Brought the whole fam.
You want to introduce everybody?
Yeah, this is my wife, beautiful wife, Layla, my daughter, Lily, my little one, Eliana.
And these girls are dying to be on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Show their friends.
Yeah.
What did you just buy?
I just bought the 2015 Vulcan S650. Yeah.
And so why'd you buy from us and not someone else?
Well, you guys, just from the moment I saw you guys on YouTube, for me personally, the words of wisdom really caught my attention, and just the honesty of you guys, you know, and the way you really described the bike. I was aiming for an 1800. Just coming just by you guys, riding it, describing it, and me getting on it right now. Wow, it was a game changer for me.
Right. Yeah, it's a sweet bike, and I noticed you came down here. So you traded in your bike, and you came down here with some of our tank strap, motorcycle tie down straps. These straps are the bike. It's not moving. This is amazing. Yeah, you guys have to try that. You got to get them for yourself. It's amazing, and it's my first time trailering anything. That's cool, man. Hey, have a safe trip home. Yeah, man. Thank you. And it was great working with you guys. Thank you, man. All right. You girls have anything you want to say?
You want to say something?
No.
Say bye.
I just want to say, I want to stay here.
Oh, she wants to stay here.
All right.
Cool. We'll see you guys later.
Thank you, guys.